Oh, better. I want to get a video. Where's Jack?
Jackson is having fun. Get Lexi. Jackson, get Lexi. Where are you going there, buddy? Hey, hi. How you doing? Go ahead. Put it on your head. There.
I have the sudden desire to buy a newspaper.
Extra, extra.
He's all about it. Lexi licks chairman.
Excuse me. Pardon me. Here, I'll go under.
I'm glad that thing's durable. Lexi.
Moisture resistant.
Where's Jackson? Put it on Grandpa's head. Put that on my head. Yeah.